In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your face with emoji in CapCut. By the end, you'll be able to drop a face tracking emoji onto your video so it follows your expressions in a fun, polished way. Start by opening CapCut. You can use the mobile app or the desktop editor, either works for this. Head into a project you want to work on, or create a new one if your workspace is empty. If you care about how it looks on different platforms, set your canvas to the aspect ratio you need, like 9:16 for vertical or 16:9 for widescreen, so framing stays consistent as you edit. Next, add a video with your face. Choose a clip where your face is clearly visible and facing the camera. Good. Even lighting and a clean background make the tracking much more accurate. If you're deciding between multiple takes, pick the one where your face stays in frame the longest, and there aren't big sudden turns. Bring that clip onto the timeline and make sure the moment you want to cover with an emoji is included. Now click Effect and go to Body Effects. In CapCut, the Effects section is where you'll find all the motion-tracked overlays. Body effects are specifically designed to lock onto people in the shot. Think head, face, and torso. So you get automatic tracking without keyframes. If you don't see body effects immediately, scroll through the categories. It's usually grouped with other tracking effects. Look for Image and select the emoji effect. The image category includes overlays that can sit on top of your face, and the emoji effect is the one that replaces or covers your face with a chosen emoji. Tap to apply it, and wait a moment while CapCut detects your face. When it lands, preview the clip. If the emoji is slightly off, pause on a frame and drag it to align with your features. You can adjust size to match your face more naturally, and you can choose a different emoji style if you prefer a specific look. To control how long the emoji stays on, extend or trim the effect layer so it covers just the part of the clip you want. If there are multiple faces, the effect may lock onto one by default. Move the playhead to a clear frame and reposition so it targets the correct person. For best results, keep your face visible and avoid strong backlight that can confuse tracking. Give it a final playthrough to confirm the emoji tracks smoothly and the timing feels right. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut, add a face clip, go to Body Effects, then choose the emoji effect and fine-tune the placement. Enjoy creating